So, yeah, this is, I think, a typical question too. But do you live in monastery?
I do live in monastery, and monastery is a suitable and perfect place to live for monks. So in Pali, it is called vihara. The word term called vihara. Vihara means a suitable abode or living or residential place. So when you become a monk, when you ordain as a Theravada monk, it is a rule that you must not live in a house or among lay people, So you are a specific person. Once you are ordained as a Theravada monk, there is a sutra called Dasadhamma Sutra, that in the first verse it says, now you are totally different in color, in shape, in your wearings, so that you are now a different person outwardly and inwardly. So you have to be specific. You have to be, different person in, in all your ways, like in your wearing clothes or robes, in eating, in walking, in meditating, in all your, physical postures and physical, movements. There is a specific peculiarity in your all physical movements than, that you did as common people, as common lay people. So you are no more lay people and no more lay person, so that you can't, talk, walk, or act like before as a lay person. So that is why you have to be, naturally away from this lay group or laity. And also Buddha has admonished for initial, the new bhikkhus, he always, advises, "Oh bhikkhus, you have now become a shaven-headed, you know, uh, uh, going forth monk. So not only your physical attire or physical complex, but also your attitudes, your way of thinking, also quite different from those lay people. So this is what makes you different, and this is what, as you question that why a Theravada monk should live or renounce household life and live in a monastery. I think you are clear now.